What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Today we have the February Boxycharm. I have not done a Boxycharm since July, so life's been busy. I paid $40 for this box. It's the premium box. I enjoy getting the premium box over the regular at this point because I get higher end products and it's usually over a $200 box. So you will see the total at the end after I run through all the products. Used most of all the products on my face. I think I used all but one. Before we get into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. If you'd like to see how I got this look using all the items in this box, then just keep on watching. All right, let's go ahead and get into this month's box. It's been a minute since I've done a Boxycharm. I think it's been since July. July. All right, so we're going to open up the box. And this month's theme is Be My Galentine. That makes a lot of sense since it's February. Keep that card right here. Got a lot of packaging here. Not normal. Bubble wrap, okay. I'm going to go ahead and talk about this first. This is by Bike Beauty. It is a gentle oil-free makeup remover spray. Interesting. So it's almost a little over 6.5 ounces. Makeup remover spray, $24. 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and makeup melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like appearance at home. Why is there glitter everywhere? Alright, so here's the basic pump here. Definitely has like a tea tree type scent to it. And it's soft, nice. Spray remover. I've never heard of that. Alright, so the next thing in the box is the Dime Eyelash Boost Serum. So I thought we could put this on before makeup. You're probably not supposed to, but I want to try it out because it's a huge thing. Usually I have like a little one like this that I try to use often, but I'm not very good at it. Alright, so looks like a tube of mascara. Apply at the root of your lashes. Alright, so same kind, I'm going to wipe this off just a little. Very similar tip to the other eyelash serum that I have. So super light, thin bristle or brush on the end of that. So I'm just gonna save away. It seems like it will last a while. I think it's a pretty big tube. $44 too. Feels good. It's kind of cold. So it's vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and sustainable. Apply nightly to the base and upper lower lashes. Apply every other day if a mild tingling sensation occurs. Maybe. But now I'm just thinking about it tingling, so that's also probably not actually happening to me. Okay, this is interesting. I don't remember if I got to pick these things or not. Maybe I did. Maybe I got to pick a couple of these things because this seems familiar. This is the Aceology Rose Quartz Gusha Facial Massager. This isn't on my card. This isn't on my card. Did I buy this? So there's a QR code in here, and I'm going to go ahead and guess that will help me like figure out how to use this. I've seen a few videos just on the internet, Instagram and whatnot. I wish this was on the card because I would like a little bit more info. All right, I'm going to do the QR code here because I don't exactly know what I'm talking about. Big surprise. Best to use with facial serum, so that's probably a good idea. I probably won't use it right now. All right, so it says, the secret to boosting your skin's radiance, smoothing fine lines, and gently sculpting your face, use our rose quartz Ugh. Geisha. I don't feel like it's geisha. Like I don't. Gua, Gausha. Facial massager is the perfect addition to your beauty routine. There are different ways I think you can use these on your face. I've seen people take it along the jawline. I've seen people take it right up here, kind of on the top of the cheek, forehead, help with fine lines, I'm guessing there. Like right here at the nose, like taking it up that way. There's different little curves on it that are all meant for certain things. I don't really want to put oil on my face right now because I'm about to do my makeup. So I definitely want to try this out though. I think it's really nice. It is like stone, like it's rose quartz, I guess, which is pretty impressive. So excited about that. I might have accidentally bought this myself. I have no idea. We have an eyeshadow primer. This is the Moonlit Prime for the Night eyeshadow primer. Sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed, blah, 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 blah. $18. Do a little of this, a little of that. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit there. I like it. We have an eyeshadow palette. The Complex Culture Future So Bright eyeshadow palette, 9 matte shades and shimmers. This retails for $30. It says this is a new launch. Cute. Got some really pretty shades in here. Nice size mirror. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glitter or shimmer shades, and then 4 matte shades. So I think we will be able to create a pretty nice look with this. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup and then we will dive into this palette and the other product in the box. All right, face makeup is on. Eyeshadow palette. All right, I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush here and go into Evoke, which is a pretty nice neutral shade. I normally, whoa, interesting. Tap it and a lot of product comes off. I normally do the whole concealer on the eyelids thing and don't do like a primer, like a designated primer, so I can definitely still see like little veins or whatever, but I mean, that doesn't matter to you. I like this color. It doesn't seem like it's very smooth. It just feels like, I mean, it blends okay. But when you tap it, like all of it comes off. Or it looks like it does. Nice color. Kind of reminds me of just putting on like a bronzer on my eyes, which is honestly my everyday at this point. All right, I'm gonna go into Manifest here. See if we can pink this up a little bit. Oh, there's a lot of fallout. I tap into it, how much product is there. And then I'm wearing white sweatpants right now. I'm gonna go into Arrive right here. Alright, and with a little teeny bristly brush, I'm gonna go into this shade Spark right here. It's kind of dark, a bit deeper purple. Let's see what that looks like. I do see there's a little bit of shimmer in it. So the shadows were blending okay. The more I added, I don't think it did a good job. So I'm gonna try to clean this up a little. And then we're gonna do under eye shadow, which honestly is like my favorite because I just feel like it pulls the whole look together. So I'm gonna use this little brush here. Go in with the first color we use. You just build out the way you laid it on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes and we will get into the last two products. All right, we have the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. This is what is causing so much glitter in the box and all over my super fine 3D sparkle for face and body, insane diamond dusted effect. Okay, let's open this up. It's in the shade How Many Carats, and it looks to be pretty white, or like, it's real, I mean, her packaging is top notch, not gonna lie. Yep, look at that white glitter. Nice big mirror in there, perfect for travel. I don't know what to do with this. Diamond Balm. All right, let's see what the card says, and then we may just like dust it on ourselves. I don't know if I want to put glitter all over my face. We could maybe put it in some strategic areas. Diamond dusted highlighter that applies like a 3D glittering veil, delivering pure show-stopping sparkle all over the face for face and body. $39. All right, let's take a highlighting brush here. Clean it off a little bit. All right. Ugh. We're going for it. We're just gonna, this is just straight. Why did I do that? Oh my God. It is like literally straight glitter. Oh, fuck. Oh. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it. I saw Tati do this one time, and I thought it was the coolest thing I've ever seen. I was like, oh, she's so smart. Find your collarbones. You know what I'm saying? Do I look like Tati? Okay, well, there's that. This could be fun. I think maybe more, I don't know. If you go out, I feel like this is a very out product. But if you want straight glitter at home, girl, go for it. I would love to see with this in other shades, like in a more warm tone. See what that looks like. But that's just my body. Last product, lip product. It's been a lot of box. All right, this is the Pretty Vulgar Lovebirds Matte Liquid Lipstick and Gloss Duo. $30. Non-sticky shine for all of your favorite lip products. Right, it's in the shade Love Me, Love Me Not. So the red is Love Me and the clear gloss is Love Me Not. That's pretty cute. I do have a liner in here that I might use just because me and red liquid lipsticks with my little lips don't always look the best. So I'm gonna go in with a lip liner that I received in another Boxycharm. Oh my God, there's glitter all over my face. We might have overlined just a little. Oh gosh, that's like a, that goes on really nice. I don't know if it's supposed to dry and be like smudge proof, but it's definitely not right now. Maybe I should have let it dry sooner, longer. I mean, I don't know. But it looks super glossy, super pretty. All right, let's total up this box really quick. It's not on the card, but that Aceology Rose Quartz Facial Massager retails for $45. So we're gonna add that in here. All right, so this box retails for $230. Pretty good. I paid $40 for the box. I get the premium, like I said. Yeah, it was an okay box. I wasn't amazingly thrilled. I'm intrigued by this makeup remover. I like the liquid lipstick. It's had time to kind of like sit here for a second, but I'm gonna go ahead and guess it is not smudge proof. Nope. I'm pretty sure my favorite thing in this box is probably gonna be this because I wanna try it out, and like I see before and afters of people that are like chiseled jawlines and like, you know, we've all got a little something going on. So I wanna play with this. This should be super fun. I'd like to continue using the Boost Serum, the eyelash serum, see how that goes. I could use more eyelashes, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching, hanging out with me while we go through my February Boxycharm. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. I hope you're happy, I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bell. No. No.